Artificial intelligence is getting more dangerous day by day. In a matter of seconds, someone from a different corner of the world can copy your face and make a video saying things you never said. This phenomena is referred to as deepfake. Today, for educational purposes only, I am going to teach you how you can easily perform a face swap in a video just like you saw at the beginning of this video. A strong reminder once again that this video is for educational purposes only. In order to follow this tutorial, you need a source video and an image of the person we would like to be in the video. To complete this tutorial, you will need to click on the Google Collab link in the description. Once you have the link opened, click Connect on the top right corner in order to connect to a GPU runtime. Once connected, click on the folder with Google Drive icon to the left in order to connect your Google Drive. Run the section that prompts you to connect your drive. Select your Google account and click on Allow to grant permission. The next thing we need to do is install dependencies. For this, run the code section under Clone Root Repo and install dependencies. This will take about 2 minutes. I have sped up this section to save some time. Oh, and here is a quick reminder.
Please subscribe. For true greatness only lies in supporting others. Liking the video and subscribing is free and will only help me create more amazing tutorials like this in the future. Thank you for your support.
Next, download the AI model that we will use to do the face swap in our video. This step takes only a few seconds. Lastly, we need to add the path of our target video and the source image in order to create the deepfake video. For this, go to the folder where you have your video and image stored. Copy the path of the video and replace the content video.mp4, and also do the same thing with the image. Also, don't forget to add the path to a folder where the deepfake video will be stored. I put the same path as that of my source video and image. Once done, run the section and wait for a few minutes for it to complete. Once it is completed, you will find your deepfake video at the location you had given. Wait to see the results of the video we just created. And there you have it. You have now learned a fast and easy way to create deepfake videos. Please use this information responsibly and at your own risk.